Today we will explore a straightforward method to attempt to recover your file after an accidental replacement in your presentation software. The process is designed to help you reverse changes that may have been made unintentionally, and while it is geared specifically for use with presentation files, it can provide insights applicable to other similar applications in the Office suite. Begin by launching the presentation application on your computer, locate the program icon either on your desktop or within your Start menu, and double-click it to open the application. This is the first essential step before you can access your presentation and try to revert any changes that have been made. Make sure your computer is ready and that there are no unexpected interruptions, as the recovery process can sometimes require a bit of patience. Once the program has opened, navigate to the presentation you have been working on. If your application automatically opens the most recent file, you may already see it in front of you. If not, use the file navigation options available within the application to locate the correct document. Take a moment to ensure that you have the most recent version of your work displayed on screen to avoid any confusion during the next steps. With your presentation now in view, try pressing the key combination that many users rely on when they need to undo a recent action. On your keyboard, hold down the Control button, and while doing so, press the letter Z. This simple command is widely recognized as the universal shortcut for undoing the most recent change. The idea behind this step is that by immediately using this shortcut, you might be able to reverse the file replacement or any unintended modifications that have occurred. It is worth mentioning that the success of this method can vary. In some cases, the file may be restored to its previous state, while in other instances it may not work, particularly if the changes had been permanently saved before the undo command was issued. If the keyboard shortcut does not have the desired effect, do not worry. There is an alternative procedure available within the application itself. Begin by accessing the primary navigation options by clicking on the File tab. This brings you to a panel where several key management and recovery operations are available. Within this menu, select the option labelled Info. This section typically provides detailed information about your document along with options for file recovery. Within the info area, look carefully for the option that relates to managing the presentation. This option might be labelled as Manage Presentation or something similar, depending on the version of the application you are using. Once you have found this section, click on it to reveal a set of additional options. Among these, locate the function named Recover Unsaved Presentation and click on it. The application will then display a list of available unsaved files or previous versions, allowing you to select the version that best represents the state of your work before the inadvertent file replacement occurred. Following these steps should provide you with the best chance of recovering your file. While the undo shortcut may sometimes yield immediate results, exploring the file management and recovery options can provide an invaluable safety net when working with important documents. Keep in mind that timely action is essential, and regularly saving your work can reduce the impact of accidental changes in the future. This completes our guide on attempting to undo an accidental file replacement. By carefully following these instructions, you can maximize your chances of restoring your work to its intended state.